Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own avocado and banana hair mask. Today's one of those days that most curly girls like myself dread the most. It is the wash day. However, this is one of the days you're going to get the most satisfying results that's going to leave you with the most enchanted hair that you always wanted. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so every time I put out an awesome video, you'll be notified. Guaranteed. So let's get started. So you're going to need some avocados, banana, some honey, extra virgin olive oil, and some water as needed. You can, instead of using water, you can also use apple vinegar. It looks like this. Or you can use some aloe vera juice. So if you want to take it up a notch, you can also use coconut milk. If you don't have coconut milk laying around your house, you can use egg, yogurt, or mayonnaise in substitute of coconut milk. But it's all optional if you want to add it to this concoction. So let's get started. So I'm going to blend this up too as well. So let me get my knife. Now that we have it all blended up, it looks like that. We're going to go ahead and put it into our bowl. But I have a little trick for you. You're going to use a stocking. I'm about to cut this in half probably. Yeah. I'm going to cut it like halfway. Like right about here, I guess. Okay. That part in a second. And I'm going to put it over the bowl. There we go. I have a little hole right there. We're going to pour it in there. Let me get the sucker to stay on there. Go ahead and find that open at the bottom, and voila, I'm going to squeeze it through there. So this is why I use a stocking, because they have all this stuff in here that you do not want in your hair. If you did to skip this method, you would have been picking out your hair. All the stuff that's inside the avocado and in the banana. So doing this method is a lifesaver. Don't skip it. You'll regret every bit of it. So here's the end result. Pulp-free, easy to use into your hair. So now I'm going to show you how to apply it into your hair. Yep, let's go to the bathroom. Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to apply it into your hair. So start off putting your hair into 4 sections. You may need hair clips, maybe. This is the end results. Okay. Still wet, but I did not add any shampoo or conditioner to my hair, so it doesn't smell like nothing. Nothing actually. Maybe it smells like olive oil a little bit, maybe a little bit. Other than that, this is a good result. My hair feels soft, it's moisturized, no, it's blurry. I don't do wash and go, so I'm not gonna do none of that stuff. I'll style it one day for